How's it going, y'all? It's me, Noah here. I'm on the 6-car Red Line San Francisco Richmond via SFO airport bound BART train. I'll be riding this from Millbrae to Colma. I hopped off of northbound limited stop Caltrain 429 not too long ago, right here at Millbrae Station. A minute late at 7:40 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Here we are pulling out of Millbrae Station with our first stop being the San Francisco International Airport.
The next station is San Francisco International Airport.
Whoa, it's really bumpy. Whoa. Those are Red Line, Millbrae bound train passing us. Whoa. It's Highway 101. There's the international terminal right there at the San Francisco International Airport. There's a Lufthansa SA380, United Airlines Boeing 737 right there. There's a Nippon Airways, aka ANA Boeing 777. There's some United Airlines Boeing 777s as well. There's a yellow line, San Francisco Airport bound BART train pulling in.
Now boarding at San Francisco International Airport. This is a red line train to Richmond.
There's the yellow line, San Francisco International Airport bound BART train pulling in, making its last stop right now. Right there. Doors just opened again. It just opened again. Open and close. Open and close. It opened again. Keep opening and closing. At 7:47 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, here we are pulling out of the San Francisco International Airport station, with our next stop being San Bruno.
The next station is San Bruno.
It's the air train. It's where there's an air train right there. The air train roams right above us right there. The air train roams right above us. Oh, we're going fast. Fast. 7:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Here we are pulling into the San Bruno station.
Arriving at
San Bruno.
Now boarding at
Alright, y'all, we'll be
San
right back.
Bruno. This is a red line train to
Richmond.
The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
At 7:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, here we are pulling out of the San Bruno station with our next stop being South San Francisco. Into the tunnel we go.
The next station is
South San Francisco.
arriving at South San Francisco.
At 7:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, here we are pulling into the South San Francisco station. And there went the red line Millbrae bound BART train that just left. My stop is after this.
Now boarding at South San Francisco. This is a red line train to Richmond.
Richmond train now boarding. Platform
The
2.
doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
At 7:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, here we are pulling out of South San Francisco with our next stop being Colma, which is where I'll be getting off.
The next station is
Colma. I'll be transferring to Samtrans bus route 122 at Colma station to get to Saramani. Then from there I'll be transferring to Samtrans bus route 121 to get home to my part-time house in Pacifica. Back.
Arriving at Colma.
At 7:57 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, here we are pulling into Colma Station. I'm about to be getting off this train right now. Alright y'all, thanks for riding with me. Have a good evening and see y'all.
Richmond.